Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to log into AOL Mail. To log into your existing AOL Mail account using the AOL Mail application, stick till the end of the video and follow the steps. First of all, open the AOL Mail app from your app drawer. You will then end up in the main homepage of the AOL Mail app. Go to the top left corner and click on the human icon. Now, click on Sign In. You will then end up in the login interface for AOL. Type in an email, a username, or mobile number associated with your AOL Mail account. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on Create an account at the bottom and follow through the registration process. Enter any of the information such as username, email address, or phone number in the first text box that pops up on the screen and click on the Next button. Click on I'm not a robot on the next page and complete the CAPTCHA that has been displayed on the screen. Once it's done, click Continue. On the next page, it'll prompt you to enter your password. Enter your correct password for your AOL Mail account and click Next. Soon after it's done, you have now successfully logged in to your AOL Mail account. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.